How to trace the sender of a harassing text message, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. Cybersecurity is our topic today, and specifically we'll be focusing on how to trace the sender of a harassing or threatening text message that's come from a texting app. This is a serious issue in our digital age, and it's crucial to know what steps to take in such situations. Let's get started.
What to do immediately.
First and foremost, do not delete the text messages. They serve as evidence if you decide to involve law enforcement or if you decide to take legal action. Document everything related to the incident. Take screenshots and note down any information that could possibly be of use.
How to report.
The next step you should take is reporting the incident to the relevant authorities. This could be your local law enforcement agency, or even the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, or Federal Trade Commission, FTC, in the U.S. When reporting, provide them with all the evidence you've gathered.
Contact the texting app company.
Another key step is contacting the company that owns the texting app the sender is using. Usually, these companies have policies against misuse of their platform for harassment or threats. They may be able to assist in tracing the sender, but this depends on their privacy policies and local regulations.
Consult with cybersecurity professionals.
If the harassing or threatening texts continue, consider seeking help from cybersecurity professionals. These experts can often provide guidance on how to track IP addresses, trace digital footprints, and may provide more sophisticated methods for identifying the sender.
Legal actions.
In some circumstances, it might be necessary to take legal action. If you are considering this route, you should consult with a legal professional who specializes in digital or cyber crimes. They can guide you through the process and help you understand what information you need to build a strong case. Dealing with harassing or threatening text messages is undoubtedly stressful, but remember, you are not alone. There are resources and professionals out there ready to assist. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. We hope this guide is a good starting point for you. Be sure to share this information to help others stay safe online too. Thanks for watching.